So we're on our way to Linton and Lynmouth bike night in cars. That's my brother Richard in the GTR 35 and my dad in the 718 Cayman T. It's a nice road as well. We've been here before in a previous video to the Carmate. Very nice road, just overtook a bunch of vehicles. Like the perfect car and bike one. Oh, the view's just gone as I record. Bikes in front.
Having no seat in this car, so that it'd be seatbelted with straps like that. Yeah. She needs to be strapped in. There's a bucket seat.
Wales over there.
You can buy them anyway.
See how far we can zoom in. What the hell?
Phil asked me to go on the bikes.
Huh?
Phil's there.
Bigger bike, and then I want it, so I saw it.
Yeah, a couple of weeks later, wasn't it?
Nah, man. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Take care. See you later.
A lot of nice views and bikes. Look at that. We're leaving now. We just got off probably one of the steepest roads in the UK and slim. And look at all these potholes and how slim it is here. It's scary. Oh, was alright. I don't know if you saw that on the camera. Yeah, we're on our way back and we're going to get some food.